All of you written up to this though? Okay, so basically two things you have to remember. When it is largest or smallest, when it is largest number, then we have to put 9. How many times? If it is given largest 4-digit number, then 4 times. Largest 7-digit number, then 7 times. Largest 5-digit number, then 5 times. Okay, and if it is given, if it is asked the smallest, then multiple of 10, right? Suppose smallest 3-digit number, then 1 will be there, and as it is 3-digit number, so 20 will be there, 1 less 0. Suppose smallest 4-digit number, then 30 will be there. Smallest 7-digit number, then 60 will be there. And first we will start the number by putting 1. Okay, these two things is clear to all of you? Acha, okay. Now let me clear the screen. Okay, I hope all of you retain this one. Okay, now open your book. Acha. Look, multiplication yesterday I started, right? This page number 60, only I started the first one. I have not completed the full page, right? So, and I told you how to solve this type of question. Basically, first we have to count how many parrots or whatever. Okay, how many, the number we have to first see. Okay, then how many times are they? Okay, suppose for this one, look, how many birds are there in one branch? Look, 1, 2, 3. 3 birds are there in one branch, na? So first we will put 3 over there. I am telling you about the multiplication because addition is very much easy. Already I explained. Addition means what? 1, 2, 3. 3 birds are there in one branch. So 3 plus. Again these 3, 1, 2, 3 plus. Again these 3, 1, 2, 3 plus. These 3, 1, 2, 3. So addition is very much easy. Just we have to add them. Okay. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. This one is very much easy. But I told you, I explained about this multiplication also, how to do. Look, basically, we have to count, we have to look at the one branch, not all of them, huh? Only in one. Listen to me very carefully, huh? Only in one, and there, how many birds are there? Look, 1, 2, 3, two. So write 3 over there. Is it clear? Lamia, Rishit, clear though? Now, how many times these are? How many times? Look. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, right? 4 times there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, first I have written the number 3. Then how many times? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times into 4. 3 fours are 12. Understood? This one is clear or not? If yes, you can shake your head. Is this clear? Okay, okay. Okay. So what to write over there? Here 3. First the number of birds in 1. Okay. Then you have to count how many times. These times you have to write later. Okay. Don't do 4 into 3. Understood? So do not do this. At first you have to count the number. Okay, then you have to write it, then how many times it is drawn over there. Understood? So write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. Here 3 into 4. Complete this first. Solanki, is it clear to you? Okay. Ishan, Avigyan, write fast. Acha, yeah, I'll be given you homework. Your homework will be table of 2, 3, and 4. Okay, don't worry. In the assignment section today, I'll give that assignment. Okay. Acha, this one completed. All of you. Now I am moving for the next one. This one already done yesterday. The first one already done. Acha, for the second one, this one. Okay, how many dolls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only in one first count, huh? Okay, just look at this. Just wait a minute. Let me share the page again. Acha, I think now it is visible to all of you. Okay. Look, only count in one portion. Okay, not all the part. One. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dolls are there. So write 4 over there. And how many times this is given? These are given how many times? One time, second time, third time, right? 3 times. So 4 into 3. Understood? 3 4s are 12. And here just count. 4 in the first box, 4 dolls are there plus. In the second box, 4 dolls are there. 4 plus in the third box, 4 dolls are there. So is equal to 12. Complete this first. Basically, in this box, we have to add. Okay. First part, we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 we have written. Second part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That one we are adding. And here we are multiplying. Just count in one part, 4. And how many times are there? First time, second time, third time, 3. Is it clear to all of you though? Ishan, Avigyan, is it clear? Anubhav? Acha, okay. Aratrika, Panik, have you understood? Shake your head if yes. Acha, okay, all of you done this? Atrika done? Okay, good. Acha. Now I am moving for the next one, huh? Look at this. All of you are able to see the page? Look, fill in the blanks. Okay. Here, basically, we have to see how many times it is given. Okay. Look at this. First one is done for you. No need to do. For the second one, B. At first, we have to count them, huh? Look, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, just count. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18. So just here write 18. Is it clear? The first one. Now look at this. Here in case of this multiplication, what to do? Look at this. Acha, how many times 3 are there? Look, one time, first time, second time, third time, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6 times it is written, na? 3 is written over there. How many times? 6 times. Okay, now what is given here? The number is 3, though. So what to do? Basically, look. Here in this box, you have to write 3. Okay. In this box, you have to write 3. Into how many times this 3 is written over there? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6 times, na? So we have to write this 6 beside this 3. 3 6 and answer will be 18. Is it clear to all of you? Shuhana Malik? No, not clear. Suhana? Acha, okay. Let me explain it again. Look at this. Suppose I have written, look at the screen. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Look at this. Is equal to dash into dash. Okay. Look. Is equal to this. Acha, first as it is given 7, so in the first circle we will write 7. Up to this clear? Solanki, all of you, 5 Mehmet, clear to? Now, how many times these 7 are written? Look, first time, one time, second time, third time, fourth time. How many times it is written? 4. 4 times, na? Yes, to. So this 4 we have to write over there in the second circle. Now is it clear? Achha, all of you. Atrika, Shuhana, now it is clear. Achha, okay, good. Aratrika, Panik, Shanvi. Okay. So now 4 sevens are 28. Basically, if you don't know the table of 7 and 4, you cannot write this. So what to do? So ultimately nothing, just we have to add. We can add them. 7 plus 7, 14 plus this 7, 21 plus this 7, 28. Then also we'll get the same answer. Understood, Anubhav? Understood? What are you trying to do? Lamia, is it clear? Good. Okay. Now let me move. Look at this. Acha, from the last one I am doing. It is given, wait, it is given 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. In the first box, what will be the answer? 24. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24. Yes, so. So write this. Acha, then here first circle and second circle. Complete it. As it is given 6. So in the first circle, we will write 6. Now how many times 6 are written? First time, second time, third time, fourth time. 4. Now the result will be same, 24. Complete this. First. The last one I am doing first, okay? H. 8. Rishabh, done. Acha, now G, number G. 4, 4, 4 it is given. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Complete this. It will be 12. And as 4 is given, first we will write 4. Then how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. 3 fours are there. So 3 times. Complete this first. I am doing G, number G. There is too small space. That's why I have done over there. Understood? So, you will do in this box. Parnik Maji, are you doing anything or not? Acha, Shoptorshi, keep your camera on. I am not here to see that magic eye, okay? Keep your camera on. Shoptorshi Ghosh. Otherwise, I'll remove you from my class, okay? Acha, next, number F. In F, look at this. 8, 8, 8, 8, okay? How many times 8 are given? 4 times. So here you will write 8, here you will write 4 times, okay? And the answer will be 32. Number E, the answer is 27. Here 9, and how many times 9 are there? 3 times. 3, 9, 27. Let me write 3 properly. Okay. Acha, number D. Let me do it here. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Look. This one is the question. So what will be? Look. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. At first 12 I am writing over there. Now 2 we have to write in the first circle. How many times 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 2 into 6. Ultimately the answer will be same, 12. Complete this fast. Acha, only B and C I have not done. This BC is your homework. You have to do it yourself in the book. Now let me check all the book and copies.